The International Space Station is one of the most remarkable achievements in human history. A massive space laboratory and living facility that orbits Earth approximately 400 kilometers above the surface, traveling at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour. The ISS completes one full orbit in every 93 minutes, completing 15.5 orbits per day. It can be seen from Earth with the naked eye as a fast-moving bright light crossing the night sky. The ISS is not owned by any single country. Instead, it is a result of rare and extraordinary international partnership between 5 major space agencies: NASA by USA, Roscosmos by Russia, JAXA by USA, and CSA by Canada. Together, these agencies planned, built, and now operate the ISS, making it a symbol of peace, unity, and cooperation beyond Earth's boundaries. The idea of a space station began during the Cold War, when both the countries, the USA and USSR, were racing to dominate space. After decades of tension and competition, the two superpowers, along with other nations, began working together. In 1998, the first part of the ISS, the Russian-built module called Zarya, was launched into orbit. Over the years, more modules were added by different countries using rockets from Russia, the USA, and other partners. American space shuttles played a major role in carrying huge components into space. Russian Soyuz rockets were vital for crew transport. European and Japanese modules brought advanced laboratories and research tools. By 2011, the station had grown into a complex structure up to the size of a football field, made up of various pressurized labs, living quarters, solar panels, robotic arms, and docking stations. Today, it weighs over 420,000 kilograms and stretches over 109 meters end to end. A striking feature of the ISS is the integrated truss structure, which connects the station's vast system of solar panels and radiators to its pressurized modules. These modules support diverse functions including scientific research, crew habitation, storage, spacecraft control, and airlock operations. The ISS has 8 docking and berthing ports for visiting spacecraft. The ISS serves 2 main purposes: science and human presence in space. The station also monitors Earth's climate, natural disasters, and atmospheric changes from above, providing real-time data that supports environmental protection. Many of the technologies used in the ISS, solar power, communication systems, and life support systems, also benefit people on Earth, especially in remote or disaster-hit areas. For astronauts living aboard the ISS means working in a very challenging environment. They perform daily scientific experiments, repair systems, go on spacewalks, exercise regularly to stay healthy, and communicate with mission control teams on Earth. One of the most powerful contributions of the ISS is how it prepares humans for future space missions. By studying long-term effects of space on the human body, the station is laying the groundwork for deep space travel, such as mission to the Mars and the Moon. American companies like SpaceX and Northrop Grumman as well as Japanese and Russian missions send regular shipments of food, tools, experiments, and other necessities. The ISS is supplied by cargo ships from several countries. Crew aboard the ISS typically stay for 6 months, though longer missions have also taken place. The crew usually includes astronauts from different countries, and they live together, cook, sleep, work, and celebrate international festivals and even vote for their countries, creating a mini version of global unity in orbit. As of 2025, the ISS is over 25 years old and still functioning well. However, plans are being made for the future. NASA and its partners are looking to transition operations to the commercial space stations in the coming years. Private companies like Axiom Space are working on building new space habitats that can eventually replace or add to the ISS. While the ISS may not orbit forever, its legacy will continue to shape the next generation of space exploration. Axiom Mission 4 launched on June 25, 2025 aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Kennedy Space Center, carrying 4 astronauts in the Crew Dragon Grace spacecraft. The international crew comprises Commander Peggy Whitson from NASA, Pilot Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla from India, and Mission Specialist Slavos Uznansky-Wisniewski from Poland and Tibor Kapu from Hungary. Axiom 4 mission will realize the return to human spaceflight for India, Poland, and Hungary, with each nation's first government-sponsored flight in more than 40 years. Axiom 4 is the most science-heavy private mission yet redefining the pathway to low Earth orbit, featuring roughly 60 experiments from 31 countries spanning microgravity biology, health and human research, materials science, Earth observation, and AI applications. In conclusion, the International Space Station is more than a structure in space. It is a living and breathing symbol of what humanity can achieve when nations work together. From its complex design to its incredible location, from its scientific experiments to its inspiring presence in the night sky, the ISS has proven that space is not just for competition, it is for collaboration, discovery, and progress.